2007 Mazda CX-7. Starter went bad, so we're going to replace the starter. I'm going to show you what you have to remove to replace the starter. So you have to remove the battery and the battery box, which you got bolts in the battery box. You have to remove the air cleaner tubing, which is right there, and the air filter. So the starter is right in that area right there. You can barely see it. There's two 14mm bolts. This top one has a stud on it, and you have to pull the stud up, pull a 12mm nut off the stud because it has a bracket on there holding the wire harness, and the bottom bolt is just a normal stud. So then you got to pull the starter out and hook the wires from the back. So you need to take off the I already did that. It's a 12mm nut, and you just pull that off, that wire harness off, and set it aside. Then you'll also have a solenoid wire you'll have to unplug right here off the back of the starter. And we're going to remove the starter and get it out where we don't tear up nothing, which what we already did. We took it out, took it out, took the nose of it, and went straight up through here with it and came out. But there's the old one. To install the new one is a reverse procedure of what you just did, and put it back together. Make sure you got good start, stop, and let it run for a few minutes and start it some more. So thank you.